Hi friends, today we are going to make Idi Mutta. It's a delicious 5-minute tea snack. For that, take some water and place the idli plate in a idli cooker. I have taken here 4 eggs. Apply some oil on the idli plate. Break the egg and pour it slowly into the idli plate. Cover the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. At the same time, to a bowl, add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala and 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Add some oil to the frying pan. Add some water and make a fine paste. To the mixture, add our steamed egg. Coat the egg with the mixture. To the frying pan, add some curry leaves and place the egg for frying. Flip them after 2 minutes. Let it fry again for 2 minutes and it's ready to serve. Hope you all enjoyed this simple and easy tea snack. Please do subscribe, share and like.